After checking the inside of my channel, I get to know this. Lot of you follow me, follow my videos, but you don't really have that interest to subscribe my channel. I don't know why. Please do consider subscribing. That is the only thing that I can request you guys, because your one subscription will just make my day awesome, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about the lipstick review video, and the brand which I am reviewing today is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Matte Liquid Lipstick. Well, these four babies were in my vanity box since a long time. I couldn't get much time to review these babies, so I thought this is the perfect time to review them and give demo swatches and just let you know how does it exactly looks on me. Already this has been reviewed by every single YouTuber, so I'm the last one to review this. This lipstick comes in all total 25 different shades, and they cover the range from nude to pinks to red to browns, and I am in love with all the 25 different shades, and they are specially available in Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Purple, so you can check it out from any of the online websites. I'll link it in the description box below. The shades which I have with me is Fighter 75, 135 Globetrotter, 120 Artist and 45 Escapist. So first I'm going to talk about the packaging of this particular lipsticks, and then I'm going to move on with the demo swatches on my hands as well as on my lips. But before that, if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing my channel and follow all of my social medias, my Instagram as well as my Facebook page. All the link will be in the description box below. Do check it out, guys, and do hit the bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So let's get started with today's video, and if you really want to see how this lipstick exactly looks on me, then please keep on watching. So I have currently these four shades from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, and their packaging is super classy, super sleek, as well as it is so elegant with a minimal sort of a packaging. Plus they have a white cap like this, and as we open the cap, we can find a doe foot applicator here, which is very easy to apply the lipstick all over your lips, and the doe foot applicator is also quite flexible, plus it also has a small hollow in between the doe foot applicator so that it can pick up enough amount of product in the doe foot and you can easily apply it all over your lips. I think the doe foot applicator is quite hardy and sturdy. It is not of a cheap quality doe foot applicator. I think the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick comes in a very good hardy and sturdy sort of a packaging. Plus they have a barcode sticker here, you can see. So if you have any query regarding whether the product is original or fake, you can definitely scan the barcode and find it out whether the product is real or not. They have also mentioned their big and small details on the packaging, like the manufacturing date, the shelf life, the price and the net content. Plus this lipstick is priced at rupees 650, and this contains all total 5 ml of product. Plus they have a very long ingredient list, guys, so I'm not reading out the ingredient list. When you will purchase this, you will get to know the ingredient list as well, and this is absolutely made in China. It is not an Indian product. So let's get started with the demo swatches on my hand, and then we can move on to the lip swatches. want to give this lipstick 100 upon 100 because they are highly pigmented, they are super matte, they are super long staying liquid lipstick that I have ever seen in my life. I have wore this lipstick and I have tested this lipstick for one whole day and it just stayed on my lips for whole day. I didn't have to retouch it, and even after having lot of heavy meal or oily food, my lipstick didn't fade away from my lips. It just stayed intact on my lips. Like, they are absolutely non-transferable liquid lipstick.
The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick is not only transfer proof, it is also smudge proof, and you can see no transfers, like zero transfer onto my fingers. It is absolutely waterproof. Like, those of you really love matte lipstick like me, they can definitely choose this type of lipstick which is absolutely transfer proof, smudge proof, waterproof, but yet will keep your lips super moisturizing.
Even though it is a super stay, super matte liquid lipstick, it did not make my lips look dehydrated, and I did not get any cracky lips or any fine lines on my lips after wearing this matte liquid lipstick. And I think Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick has done a great job with their quality, with their pricing, with their packaging. So I am absolutely satisfied with this particular liquid lipstick. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and all the lipstick details will be given in the description box below. The link will be provided in the description box below. Do check it out, guys. You can purchase this from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple. So these lipsticks are easily available in all the online stores. You can go and check it out. Plus they have lot of discounts going on and off, so you can definitely purchase one for yourself. And let me know in the comment section below whether you really like the quality, the texture of this particular lipstick. Among this 25 lipstick, which one is your favorite? So among this 4 lipstick, these 2 are my current favorite lipstick. So this one is 120 Artist and this one is 45 Escapist. So both of them just took my heart away. So yes, that's all for today. Hope you really enjoyed and hope my video turns out to be most helpful video for you guys. And if you are new to my channel, what you have to do, like, comment, share, do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social media like my Instagram as well as my Facebook page is right here. Also click the bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.